These look like pretzel emojis. We're making soft pretzels. 4 to 4.5 cups of flour. I'm using bread flour. 2 1/4 teaspoons or 1 packet of yeast. I'm using fast rising yeast today, so I'm just putting it straight into the flour. 2 tablespoons light brown sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Make sure that all of those ingredients are spread throughout the flour. I don't want to see anyone commenting being like, I did your recipe and it didn't work. Well, then you probably didn't do my recipe. 1/4 of a cup of oil. 1.5 cup warm water. We're gonna start stirring this in the bowl. Once it looks something like this, we're gonna turn it out onto our clean surface. Gather it all together and we're gonna start to knead all of that dry flour in. Do not add more liquid, please, for the love of God. Once you're tired of kneading, even though it's not completely smooth yet, we're gonna spray our bowl with oil and we're gonna put this in there. Cover it with plastic wrap and we're gonna let it rise until it doubles in size, which hopefully should only take an hour. Once our dough has proofed, we're gonna turn it out onto our clean surface. I'm not punching it down, by the way, because I want a more fluffy, airy pretzel. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna take our pizza cutter and just cut a side off of this, then roll it out. We're gonna set the middle down, then cross these and cross them again and stick the little ends down just like that. Just make the pretzels however you want. Doesn't matter. Let's get a shallow dish and pour some water in. Then sprinkle in some baking soda, 1/4 cup. You need to have a parchment lined baking sheet ready for this next part. I'm just gonna dip both sides onto the tray. Brush all your pretzels with an egg wash. Sprinkle them with some obscenely expensive pretzel sea salt, or just coarse sea salt from the Dollar Tree. They should look something like this into your 450 degree oven for 10 minutes. You guys, I can't, like, I was gonna be like, oh, they turned out good. What? Obviously we have to try it. That tastes like an Auntie Anne's pretzel. Minus like the copious amounts of butter flavored oil all over the outside. Oh my, okay, I wanna see something real quick. I'm gonna brush it with some melted butter. Now I'm gonna try it. It don't get much better than that. Well, there you go. That's how you make super easy soft pretzels. You're welcome.